This video will cover the topic, solving a trigonometric equation involving more than one function.
What will problems in this topic look like?
Let's work through an example problem together to get a better idea. Let's say we are asked to find all solutions to the equation 2 times the cosine squared of x equals 2 plus the sine of x, and told to write our answers in radians in terms of pi and to use or as is necessary.
How would we start this problem?
First, we need to identify what our goal is in this problem. Since we are asked to find all solutions of this equation, we would like to write the equation in terms of a single trigonometric function.
How do we do that?
This can be done by using the Pythagorean identity, cosine squared of x equals 1 minus the sine squared of x. With an understanding of this identity, we can rewrite the equation to be 2 times 1 minus sine squared of x equals 2 plus sine squared of x. This simplifies to 2 minus 2 times sine squared of x equals 2 plus sine of x. Next, we will rewrite the equation again, this time with the goal of getting 0 on one side of the equation. This will result in 2 minus 2 times sine squared of x minus sine of x minus 2 equals 0. Simplifies to negative 2 times sine squared of x minus the sine of x equals 0. This simplifies further to 2 times the sine squared of x plus sine of x equals 0 when you multiply both sides by negative 1. This simplifies even further with factoring to sine of x times 2 times the sine of x plus 1 equals 0. This tells us that the product of the factors of sine of x and 2 sine of x plus 1 is 0.
Why is this important to know?
If the equation has a solution, at least one of the factors must be 0. In our problem, this means that sine of x must equal 0, or 2 times sine of x plus 1 must equal 0. We can solve both of these to get sine of x equals 0, or sine of x equals negative 1/2. For sine of x equals 0, we get solutions at 0, pi, and all their coterminal angles. This can be written like so. Note that these statements can be defined as follows. The E-looking symbol means is an element of a set, and the Z-looking symbol means the set of all integers. So this can be read all k pi such that k is an integer, and we can use this to mean all integer multiples of pi. For sine of x equals negative 1/2, we get solutions at 7 pi over 6, 11 pi over 6, and all their coterminal angles. That is, for sine of x equals negative 1/2, we get the following. And this is our final answer.
I think I understand, but let me summarize just to make sure. When solving a trigonometric equation involving more than one function, first, we must rewrite the equation in terms of one function. Next, we rewrite the equation again to get 0 on one side of the equation, and last, we factor to find our solutions.
That is correct. Excellent work!